What we're here to do today is to figure out why this car is not charging the battery. He had a problem with the starter, actually got hung in the flywheel, and I'm not sure if it blew some fusible links, but we're fixing to diagnose it and find out what's going on and why. Let's get into it. We gotta let me get this washer tank out of the way, make a little room, lay it over. Alright, let's check. We've got the positive terminal disconnected. I suspect that it has a blown fusible link, but I don't know that. So we're gonna take our meter. We just got a little cheap Harbor Freight meter, it'll do the job. On these older cars, I wouldn't suggest using it on a new car, but you can use it on an older car. Let's see. Take a look here and figure out where the ohm scale is on this thing. All right, there's continuity right there. Okay. Let's see what we got. Got continuity from the battery to the alternator, so I guess it's possible it burned something up inside the alternator. Alright, let's move forward. We know it's got to have a starter, so let's go ahead and get with replacing the starter. Alright, what you can see, simple spade connector. Got the ring terminal pulled off down here for the battery wire. Got that got one more bolt underneath, and then we'll bring you back. Ready? We're recording. We got that one tight. Alright, we got this bottom bolt, got the car jacked up, got a couple stands, blocks of wood so that we're safe. We don't die trying to do this project or get seriously hurt. So, now 2 bolts hold it on. That bolt down here, be ready for it when we come back. Alright, let's go back up top, take the other bolt out, and she'll be off. This time now. Well, I can get on it. Okay. I don't care if you drop it out the bottom, we ain't using it no more. Okay, there you go.
All right, that works.
Wish granted. All right, we got the good used starter. We're getting ready to try to get it to go back down in there. If I can get my hands to work correctly. It's kind of a awkward spot, but it's not the worst I've ever dealt with. You get it to hang there. It's actually going to stay, believe it or not. All right.
Check that out.
Yep. Now I'm going to try to grow up under it. I'm going to go ahead and start that bottom bolt first. Get it somewhat pulled up. Not tight though. And then I'll come back up and start the back bolt. Okay, starter has changed. We're ready to go. Give it a whirl. Let's see if it'll crank. Oh, that's nice. Nope. We're gonna let off. We're going to get a battery. Okay,
Okay, we just pulled this one off charge. This is his battery and it was in it, so. How many volts you got there, big guy?
Well, 0.28.
And that's a low battery. Was it on charge?
Yeah, it's been on 2 amp for 2 days.
Battery may have gone south.
May have taken some fatigue on that.
May have. So.
I'm pretty sure it was being run low now in retrospect for probably a day.
Okay, well, let's put it in there and see if it'll crank. Alright, let's fire in the hole, see if it'll crank. Then we'll check and see if the alternator's charging. Keep doing it. Well, that's aggravating. Try it. Do it. What in the world is going on here?
This is what it was doing when the starter was hung last time. And time before that.
Okay, alright, back up, regroup. Okay, we'll try again. We did some terminal connections. Keep clicking. It stopped clicking?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Alright. Back up, regroup again. Okay, we have switched to a known good battery this time. Let's see what we've got now.
Alright, I got a ding.
Keep clicking on it. Click on it. Just like that. Let's check for voltage. What do you got?
12.38. We're not charging.
Wedge those terminals down in there. We are not charging. Alright, go just leave them right there. See if they'll hold. Alright, go in there and give it just a little gas. Nope, definitely not charging. Higher you go, the
Lower it gets?
lower it gets because it's having to pull more volts per spark. Alright.
We got continuity with the alternator, right?
Yeah, I think we're just going to put an alternator on it now and see what we got. Alright, well, we're going to go with an alternator now.
I was about to say, you're supposed to just fold it down and pull it out.
What? How was this garbage? They got a ground on it.
Yeah, they got a ground on it. Don't you remember the time I hooked them up backwards and about blew the damn thing on?
No.
Surprised you don't remember that. It scared the daylights out of me. I'll never forget it. Damn thing started welding while my hand was still on it.
One alternator. Hitachi. Alright, let's take this capacitor off. It's a noise suppressor. Put it on the other one.
Okay.
Am I on TV?
Yeah, you are.
You are.
Okay.
I don't need him.
Oh yeah, I was about to come in there.
He was probably slowing you down anyway.
No, he's bringing me tools.
Oh, okay.
No, he just looked to see what time it was because he's fixing it.
We could
See,
train a
just-
monkey to do that.
He just told me he was fixing it to leave me.
Alright. bad is it?
Hopefully it's just this alternator. We got the starter put on it, and hopefully this alternator's gonna finish fixing it. I hope. All right, well, we've got everything swapped back over. We're fixing to try to stick it back down in there, and we'll get it mounted up, and we'll be right back, and we'll do a voltage test to see if that fixed our problem. Alternator is swapped. Let's crank it up, see if we're charging now. Got the problem resolved. I'm going to take the battery home, put it on a good charge, see if the battery's any good. If not, he's going to take the battery out of the one of his other projects and put in it. But I think we'll be good now. I don't know. I'm thinking possibly that when the starter hung on it in the flywheel, and it may have damaged the battery and could have possibly damaged the alternator. So no way of knowing for sure at this point. But right now she's back up and going. Just got to get a battery in. Thanks for coming along.